Dashcam, the ultimate road keeper. Are you looking for peace of mind while driving? Here's the solution. The Dashcam is equipped with the latest technologies to ensure your safety and provide an exceptional driving experience. Its advantages. Night vision. The Dashcam features advanced infrared technology, ensuring you have clear vision even in low light conditions or at night. Loop recording. No need to worry about your storage space being full. With the loop recording function, videos are recorded continuously, with the oldest ones automatically replaced. HD IPS display. Enjoy crisp, clear viewing on the 2-inch IPS display with 1080p resolution. Triple cameras. Comprehensive 170-degree wide-angle coverage, thanks to 3 cameras that record in front of you, behind you, and on both sides of your car. High quality. Capture 1080p HD videos for solid evidence in case of any accident. Ease of use. User-friendly design with a simple and intuitive interface. A Dashcam isn't just a camera, it's an investment in your safety and peace of mind. Dashcam features. Peace of mind while driving. Providing strong evidence in the event of an accident, the Dashcam provides accurate video recordings detailing the accident, which may help you prove your innocence or get fair compensation from insurance. Deter Reckless Behavior. A Dashcam may prevent other drivers from driving recklessly or aggressively for fear of being ticketed. Night vision. Ensures clear vision even in low light conditions or at night, increasing your safety on the roads. Loop recording. Eliminates the need to manually delete recordings, as the oldest ones are automatically replaced with new files. Order your Dashcam now and enjoy a safe and reliable driving experience. Don't miss the chance to get this great offer.